I got into doing my cleaning service about 22 years ago, and I started really small with like 15 clients and decided that I wanted to try it full time and see where I got, and never in my wildest dreams did I ever think that I would get as far as I am right now. This is going to be where my new office and building is. We are in the process of building a 41.5 by 48 pole barn that will house the office, a storage space, a little meeting room for me and the girls in case we need to have some little chats, and just extra space for everything, possibly doing some laundry for some of our clients, which we already do some of that now. Hopefully a wide variety of more and more and more. One of the things that we try and do when we go into customers' houses is just kind of look around, do our thing, do as much as we possibly can for people to make their house feel nice and fresh and clean. We have been known to change light bulbs and or fix something if it needs fixing. My one gal that works with me for a long time, she's a great fixer-upper. But we do appreciate everything that anybody's been doing for us through this whole COVID-19, and we also try and make sure that we're sanitizing as well as we can to keep everybody healthy and safe. That everybody's been doing a really good job at helping support us and keeping everything going the way that we need it to. As far as some of our products that we use, we try and stay as green as we possibly can. I have a Clean by Proxy, which is a peroxide-based product. We also use an antibacterial dish soap and water that's safe on any product or any countertops. We try and protect our houses as best that we can. We do have a couple of ozone machines which we can put into houses as far as getting rid of dust mites and allergies and things like that.